So we're now on day 3 of the training of trainers on digital skills and e-business for ASEAN women MSMEs. And for today's session, we will be focusing more on the digital skills. So let me just show you what we have at the venue. Right now, it's still our break time until 11:05. And these are our FOPSCO members who were selected by Women Biz PH as the representatives for women in business. Yarn, this is Miss MJ. Hello. These are our kagamitan. And this is our general manager of FOPSCO, Miss Sherlane Fortunate. Jean, hi. Our vice chairman of the board, Mr. Jeremiah Malan. And so we will be having a Facebook Live later sa FOPSTOCK. Please watch from 7 to 8 in the evening. We will be discussing more about the training. Everyone will be there. Stay tuned. See you all later.